¿Qué onda, raza? Got a couple of very rare and heavy vices in from a good friend of mine, Wes. Thank you, buddy. I figured I'd do a video to show you guys what's inside. Let's get started. Woohoo! Woo! Miren nomás, compa. Vanderman, number 3, 6-inch jaws, and a 6-inch Wilton swivel jaw. Wow. Alright, there's not enough room to loosen up the vise, so I'm just gonna cut the 2x4 there. There's a couple of pins there. These are serrated new Kevin Scott 6-inch Wilton jaws. New bolts, new pins. Man, this is just so amazing. Look at that. Look what else I got with this 6-inch brand new Wilton copper jaws. This is incredible, guys. So I have new jaws from Kevin Scott and new copper jaw covers as well. Well, here's another cool thing. Wes had his machinist buddy made a new pin for me. The old Wilton style pin. They did an amazing job. Look at that. It's perfect in there. Wow. That's just amazing. Look at the size of that thing. And this is a Wilton patent pending. Chicago. Let's see. N60. There you have them, a complete Wilton swivel jaw collection. 3.5-inch jaws, 4.5-inch jaws, and a 6-inch jaws. All three of them have the new copper jaw covers, new Kevin Scott serrated jaws, and new old Wilton style locks for the swivel. Now it's just a matter of deciding what color I should do all three of them. And when to do them. Man, I'm so excited about this one. Alright, let's get the next one out. $156.5 for the Vanderman number 3. Look at the size of that bolt. That's like 1.5 inch. Well, there you have it, compa. Vanderman number 0, number 1, and number 3. They did not make a number 2 for some reason. The size comparison between the 0 and the number 3. Huge difference. All of them have the pipe jaws. A lot of these vices are missing the pipe jaws. I was lucky enough to have them all with the pipe jaws in great shape. And the Wilton swivel jaws. 2 complete collections in one crate. Thank you all for making this possible, for helping me out on my search. And there's a 326 down there. That one's waiting for a nice stand I will be building soon. And these other ones are gonna be put on my complete collection shelf, which is running out of room here. Also got a nice hate button 90-pound amble and a 16-inch swatch block, also in great shape and waiting for a stand. Make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, and comment. Thank you for the love.